everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, we'll be sprucing up these pumpkins and getting ready for fall. All I needed for this project are these white pumpkins and some black vinyl. Let's get started. I'll cut out a piece of vinyl a little bit larger than my design. The pumpkins that I'm sticking these to are pretty bumpy, so I'm using Oracle permanent vinyl today in matte black. Stick it down to a green mat and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now just pop it into your Cricut or Silhouette. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. I'll just grab my scissors and cut these out. Take a piece of transfer tape, a little bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Then flip it over and pull off the backing paper. All you have to do now is just line the design up into position and stick it on when you're happy with the placement. Use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl down and then pull off the transfer tape. Now I'll repeat the same process for the second pumpkin. These are done and ready for fall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.